day 14.
Things are good. Bigger holes. All those. Let's do a little web test. Web. It's getting really webby, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's exactly what we want. So here's the deal, friends. We are so close. And I think I'm gonna try baking. And I'll do a separate video for baking. We're gonna use a fun recipe, and we're gonna see if it works, because it's there. It's either gonna work or it's not gonna work, you know. So today's day 14, and you know the mixture at this point. You know the mixture. It's gonna be 10. I don't think that's 10 grams. 10 grams. LeBron James. 10 grams. Yay, 10 grams. That's so tiny. 50 grams of water and 50 grams of flour. But what I'm going to do is, I think Tuesday, I have a thing at the Olive Garden. And I'm going to make bread for them. And you're going to help me in this video. And Monday morning, we will do the stretch and folds. You don't know what that is yet. And then Monday night is when we will bake the bread. That'll be exciting. Sorry, I should have had coffee for this. If you hear the coffee percolating, you know that I'm almost there. Almost there. Almost ready to have some coffee. I'm gonna put a dab of water. You're looking for that cupcake mixture. I read 2 different comments today on a sourdough video, because, you know, once you're sourdough people, you just start watching sourdough videos. And they were like, I don't even measure anymore. I just do it. And I'm like, you know what? If you can do that, I tried. You saw the big jar earlier. I tried doing that. Not for me, kid. Oh, I already. Well, but day 14. I'll see you tonight. Peace.
At night.
End of day 14. Day 14 at night. We've definitely come a long way. We're getting a lot of reactions. And it's also rising a lot. Like, it was here and now it's here. So, that's crazy. We're going to clean this up. I'm sure there's some... Actually, you know what? Let's do the web. The web test, as we're calling it, I guess. Oh. Heck yeah. Oh, yeah. I think we're ready to bake. So, you know the drill. 10 grams of the starter. There we go. And obviously you guys can see the bread I made today with sourdough. We're going to try in a couple days, but obviously if you've made it this far in these videos and in the sourdough starter process, give yourself a pat on the back. This is a whole lot of work. People are going to be like, oh my gosh, you're so cool. Man, ignore that. I just mean, it takes a lot of work to get here, so you should definitely be. If you're wondering what to do with your discard, aka the starter that you throw away, I know there are recipes to make a lot of things, like pretzels. I think there's even a Cheez-It recipe. I also know there's a book on Amazon. I swear I'm not sponsored, but you get my point. That way you're not wasting the discard. Alright, just like that, end of day 14. We're doing good. Yeah. Proud of you for making this far, and hopefully we'll be baking soon. So stay tuned. See you tomorrow. Peace.